Let's pack the July Aimaleigh box to get you beach ready. First, we have this wet and dry bag by the Royal Standard. I love the palm print, and you can use it for your beach essentials or to keep your wet bathing suit. Then this super cute t-shirt pressed right here at Aimaleigh's Boutique. It says positive vibes, life, and mind. The matching beach towel from the Royal Standard that is microfiber and sand resistant. A super cute sun hat. I love the bow on the side. And it's adjustable. As a snack, we've added some Virginia Diner salted peanuts. And you'll get these super cute aviator sunglasses. Here we have a keychain by Occasionally Made. And also a necklace by Occasionally Made. I love this fun tassel, it's so cute. Here we're just gonna pack it up and add a little surprise card to remind you to post to our Facebook group, follow us and tag us on social media, and enjoy!